Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on the Pinterest app. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to open the application. We click on the Pinterest and it will take us to the home page. Now, we need to go and access the settings or go to and access the settings panel. To do so, you need just to click on profile picture at the bottom here on this toolbar. You click on your profile picture and it will take you to your profile, pins, and boards. Then you will find at the corner on the top this gear icon. You click on the gear icon and basically now we are on the settings panel or settings menu. So basically we need just to search for the settings concerning the application. Here we can see edit profile settings and then account management, profile visibility, etc. Then we will find the account management settings. So we click on account management and here we can find many settings or some categories here. So basically if we go at the middle here, we can find the app theme in the app sounds. So either you can turn off the sounds of the app, and here we can find the app theme. So basically there is the light theme and the dark theme. So we just click on the dark theme and we are going to switch or turn on the dark mode on our Pinterest. So this is how you can turn on the dark mode on Pinterest. Thank you for watching and see you next time.